Most people still use the simplest method, installing an Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player. You just download it, install it like any normal program, sign in with your Google account, and you instantly get access to the Google Play Store and all your mobile apps. But if you're using Windows 11, there's a lighter alternative. You can enable the Windows subsystem for Android and install a version that supports the Play Store, which feels more built in and smoother than a traditional emulator. And if you only need web based apps, there's another trick using Microsoft Edge. Open the website, click the three dots in the corner, go to apps, then select install this site as an app. It won't give you the full Play Store, but it lets you run certain sites like Instagram or TikTok as if they were real desktop apps. For Windows 10 users, WSA isn't available, so your main option is still an emulator or using Edge for web apps. So overall, emulator for full Play Store access, WSA for a smoother built-in feel on Windows 11, and Edge PWAs if you only need lightweight apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.